Hi guys, Boris Dorfman here with LBC Capital. I stayed out of the YouTube for a while. I was actually working, so lots of new and exciting things coming to you from LBC Capital. We developed a new investor portal. All your statements, withdrawal requests, additional fund requests are going to be through the system. It's pretty cool. It has this graph that shows your earnings over time. I'm going to do a special on that. We're working on a credit line. We well past $40 million under management. So a lot of exciting stuff. I'm going to do another video on it next week. But for now, I want to do something fun. I want to do 5 must-watch TV series, and it's either motivational or about financial markets, okay? So I got 5. I got Suits, I got Billions, I got Breaking Bad, I got Empire, and I really thought hard about number 5, so you got The Office, okay? Something really fun. So Suits, it's an amazing, it's about a law firm. Those that haven't watched it, watch at least first couple of seasons, then it kind of dies off from there. It's about New York law firm, countless hours, a lot of motivation, a lot of late night strategizing from attorneys. People, the dialogues are pretty amazing. People are sharp. And they also get out of the office and go drinking and partying, so that's fun. So it's about corporate lifestyle. Somebody told me it's based on a Skadden law firm. I don't know how true that is. But first season is amazing. First couple of seasons, then it kind of gets boring from there. Breaking Bad, I don't know if it's motivational, but it's definitely about business. You have a school teacher, chemistry teacher that becomes somewhat of a drug kingpin. Most of you guys probably watched it, so I'm actually planning to rewatch it. It's a lot of fun. It keeps you on the edge of the seat. And conversely to Suits, this show just gets better and better with every season. You watch first episodes of season 1 and it's kind of boring, and then it just takes off from there. Billions is a big one. This is financial industry, hedge fund, betrayals. I really like this one. There's a lot of psychology and dynamics of how to work with people, investors, your competition. One day they're fighting, another day they're friends. Next season they're fighting again. You have people, employees betraying, opening companies, then coming back. So a lot of backstabbing, I don't know how realistic it is in the real world, but it definitely made me rethink about certain business relationships and how I approach them. It's for me, business is about living life, and all this cutthroat thing, not for me, maybe not at this stage of the life. Maybe 20 years ago, I was that ruthless. So yeah, take a note of that, by the way. Empire. It's about music industry. It's about a family. Dad built a empire of the music history, and he wants his kids to continue their legacy. Lots of controversy about certain character in that movie in the news, but don't watch the news. Watch it. It's a great show. Set your politics aside. It's a pretty good show. And of course, The Office. A little bit fun, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So Suits, Billions, Breaking Bad, Empire, The Office. There's also another one. It's called Succession. Some people like it better than The Empire. It's also about the family and infighting, blah, 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 dividing the assets, trying to make kids better, to run the show. Some of the tactics are questionable. So yeah, let me know what your top 5 are. And I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.